me take a moment to help you understand which Hollywood Browzer beauty product is right for you. Our original multi-purpose Hollywood Browzer is designed to be simple and effective for removing hair on the face and body, as well as shaping your eyebrows. Our dual-sided, patented Hollywood Brow Perfector is a 2-in-1 beauty tool that shapes and grooms the brows in mere minutes. Specially designed for the hairs above, below, and between the brows, this tool will whisk away these hairs instantly and painlessly, giving you the ideal shaped brow. Our dual-sided, patented Hollywood Derma Browzer is a 3-in-1 beauty tool. It's an eyebrow shaper, hair remover and exfoliator, or dermaplaning tool. The short edge shapes the brows with ease and precision, and the long edge on the other side is our original Browzer edge, designed for removing peach fuzz, unwanted facial hair, as well as hair on the body. The award-winning Sonic Smoother is our innovative, patented hair remover, exfoliator, and dermaplaning device. Using sonic technology of 8,000 vibrations per minute, this device is able to safely and effectively remove the top layer of dead dull skin, peach fuzz, and built-up debris, revealing smooth, bright, radiant skin. The Hollywood Smoother provides a deeper exfoliation and does the work for you, meaning that the vibrations remove the hair, dead skin cells, and built-up debris for you simply by leaning the device against the skin. And you will not need to worry about how to position the device, as the head is designed at a 45-degree angle, the perfect angle for dermaplaning. We offer replacement heads for the Smoother, which makes it an excellent, cost-effective choice long-term. I hope this makes it easier for you to choose which one of our Hollywood Browzer beauty tools is right for you. Please feel free to get in touch if there's anything else we can help you with. And don't forget to stay Hollywood Fabulous.